With the latest sprint of 2020, Azure DevOps had several enhancements to the pull request experience following the feedback left by the community. Let's explore them in this 3 Minutes Friday. Hi everybody, welcome back to CoderDave and welcome to a new episode of the 3 Minutes series. In each episode, I will try and explain a concept, showcase our product or service, or yet try and teach you something, and all in just 3 minutes. Short videos, big value, hopefully. Today we talk about the new and enhanced pull request experience in Azure Repos, the source control of Azure DevOps. There are a total of 5 different enhancements that I want to go through with you. But let's start the clock and get into it. First one is a better visualization of folders and files with a long name. Folders and files with long names were cut off due to the lack of horizontal spacing in the file tree. But how you can see on screen, some additional space is now being added to the tree by modifying its indentation to match the root node, and by hiding the ellipsis button from the page except on hover. And this makes the interface cleaner as well. Alright, second one, scroll position on Resize. When resizing the side-by-side diff pane in the PR Files tab, the user's scroll location would be lost. This issue is now being fixed. In fact, the user's scroll location is now retained. This is much better, isn't it? I hated having to find again the point where I was at. Before we move on, hit the like button below if you're enjoying this video or you find it insightful. It will help this video to be recommended to other viewers and would mean a lot to me. Alright, next improvement targets the PR mobile view. This page has been updated to make better use of the space so that users can see more of the file in mobile views instead of having 40% of the screen taken up by a header. If you're using Azure Repos mobile experience, you know that it's not perfect yet, but they're getting there. And these little changes are the things that contribute to make it top-notch. But let's move on and talk about images. Images edited in a PR were not showing in the PR summary view, but did show correctly only in the PR files view. This issue has been resolved now. Alright, final one. We now have an enhanced branch experience when creating a new pull request. Before this update, in fact, this experience was not ideal as it would compare the changes with the default branch. Now instead, it compares it with the compare branch of the repository. And we're done, let's stop the clock. Another one perfect 3 Minutes Friday. Alright, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this new PR experience, because I know it's not yet perfect, and of course it's not as nice as the one we have in GitHub, but I think it's getting there, and these little improvements really help. Azure DevOps had several events, and this makes the interface cleaner. Before we move on to the next one, targets the PR mobile view. Contribute to make that. But that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next video here at CoderDave.